Removing a gearbox can be an awkward and difficult job. It can also be potentially dangerous if you're working on your own. Ideally, 2 people are needed to keep the gearbox stable as it's removed from underneath. Even then, there's a risk of damage if the gearbox is dropped, as well as a severe lack of manoeuvrability. To solve these problems, Laser Tools has just introduced their new transmission support arm. The specially designed tool allows you to safely remove and reinstall a gearbox on your own, saving manpower, effort and time. The gearbox remains safe and secure in the support arm at every stage of the process, making it much easier and safer to manoeuvre. It's simple to use. Just position the support arm around the centre of the gearbox, position the sling to ensure evenly distributed weight on both sides, lock the securing link on the chain, then tighten up the slack. Once the bolts are removed, the gearbox can be easily removed and lowered. There's plenty of clearance as the gearbox is suspended from above. When it's time to reinstall, the support arm makes aligning the centre plate of the gearbox much easier due to the ability to pivot the gearbox in any direction. Safer, more flexible and easy one-man operation. The Laser Tools transmission support arm can handle all types of car and light commercial applications. It will revolutionise the way you change a gearbox. The 8579 transmission support arm from Laser Tools. Available now from your local stockist.